All right, Cadillac Drivability blog, number 89. I bumped up the base timing from 8 to 12. And it's true what they say about old engines. They love a little extra timing. I would have to say the off-idle performance is much, much nicer. Uh-oh. Move over. Good luck, man. So what I'm going to do next is get this old car up on a longer, straighter stretch where I can get the speed up and see if I'm going to have any pinging. I don't think I'm going to, but we'll find out. I would have to say that bumping that timing up 4 degrees is just a dramatic drivability improvement. Combined with this new HEI ignition, it drives like I always wanted this car to drive, and it never has done that until now. It's really, really an eye-opener. I tell you what, engine reaction to the foot pedal is just phenomenal. It's just effortless now, just effortless. You know, you just the slightest pressure from your toes reacts, and the car just reacts to it in a wonderful, fluid, rush, high torquey, beautiful, smooth fashion. It's just, so I'm going to tip in, say, I don't know how far it would be, an eighth maybe, not even a quarter, 3/16, and it's just, oh yeah, just unbelievable. I got a small little dip in the road here where I've got a little valley of straight, flat asphalt. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, man. Woo, that was sweet. Real nice.